I like trains.
Hello everyone, as you can see I'm still here at the Salt Springs Road crossing on the CSX Newcastle sub. Take a look down there. We've got a high clear. On tracks 1 and 2, I don't know which track it's going to be on, but this is IO18 eastbound with a flared MAC rebuild leading. This is the first time I'm seeing this train in the daylight, and it's got a pretty good leader, so yeah, here it comes. I'm going to zoom in right now, and I hope you all enjoy this video. Alright, thank you for watching. I'm here from Lordstown, Ohio on the CSX Newcastle sub. This is the Old Main Guy signing off, and everyone watching this video, have a great day wherever you may be.